What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making some French toast on the griddle. Some breakfast for dinner. Brenner, you know we love that. So let's come in and check out these ingredients. And don't forget, we are giving away a griddle for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We don't know what size yet, but we will be giving one away at 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you tune in for that. And let's check out these ingredients and get it going. All right, so we got 4 slices of Texas toast bread. Some nice thick slices. We got some scrambled eggs right here, some Buttersworth syrup right here, and then we're gonna have some sausage with it too. So just some links. So quick and easy, let's go. Got the griddle nice and hot. I got the 2 outside burners all the way on low. The 2 middle are off. So let's just spread this oil around a little bit. Let's throw some butter on. This is for the sausage. I'm just gonna cook them on the side over here. Oh, get that cooking right there. There we go. All right, let's just spread that around a little better. I always cook my sausage with some butter. I don't know what it is, but that's just my thing. Let's just dump them on there. Get them going. You know what? I am going to turn this one up a little bit. Let's just keep them over here. And I'm going to, put a little oil down right here for French toast. All right, let's put a little butter down. It's only 4 pieces, so shouldn't be too bad. I got these, you know what, I'm gonna put these burners, I'm gonna turn them back on, and I'm gonna just put them on low, because I think let's see where we're at here. We're at 270, so yeah, we're fine. I'll leave them on low, get this stuff going. All right, I'm gonna put some gloves on so I don't have to stop this stuff to wash my hands. Get this butter. Oh, we got the butter on. So we move that. Let's get this egg right here. And you know what? I should probably pull this table a little closer. All right. There we go. That should be good. All right, and just dip them in. Right like so. And if there's any egg left over, just gonna make some scrambled eggs out of that. Yep. Just right like that. It's super easy to do some French toast. And if you watch my videos, you know I like to cook my eggs nice and low. All right. Low temp, that's the way I do it. All right. There we go. Get these on here. There we go. A little extra. All right, let's get that off. All right, and then we're just gonna let that cook up. Let's turn these. Keep these good. Yep, I got that up, got that on low. We're good over there. I'm gonna probably end up cooking these eggs right over here. Put a little bit more oil. A little bit of butter. All right. And boom, just like that. I'm just gonna let these cook up for just a hot second. Yeah, just a hot second. Gonna give them a flip. All right, I threw the sausage under a lid. I totally didn't realize. Those are gonna take longer to cook than these are. So let's give this a flip. Boom, nice little French toast. And we in this house prefer Texas toast for our French toast because it's nice and thick, So So boom, that's just gonna take just a minute. So I'm gonna not put the eggs on until these are closer to being done. See, yeah, they're still pink. So yeah, we're just gonna let them go for another minute and get you back. All right, the French toast is almost done. The sausage is almost done. Let's throw these scrambled eggs right over here. Get my spatula. Yeah, just keep them in there nice like that. There we go. We got some of that butter floating on top of there. Yes. All right, we're done with that. Now let's give this a flip. Not quite, not quite. We want to get a nice browning going on both sides of that. Yeah, just work on these eggs right here. There you go. Just cut them up just like that, let them cook up. Put some salt and pepper on there. All right, so the scrambled eggs are done. Let's give these French toasties a flip. All right, there you go. There we go, we're looking good. There we go. All right. Boom, let these cook for another hot second. These are done. Actually, I'm gonna pull these off. And the eggs, I'm gonna pull them off too. Let's put these over here with the paper towel. Get a little bit of that grease off. Let's get these eggs out of here. Boom. All right, just working on this French toast. This is gonna be done in just a minute. And we're good to go. All right, everything's done. Well, let's check these French toasts right here. All right, we're looking better now. Boom. I'm gonna dish this stuff up. Give it a try. I am starving and this all looks and smells delicious. Y'all see all this? I love sausage links with syrup. This is amazing. But let's get down on this French toast. That is good. That is good. Perfectly done. I don't like my French toast overdone where it's a lot of browning. I mean, that's just me, I guess, but that is good. I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner, man. Don't forget, we're giving away a griddle, 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you like what you see. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Let me know if there's something I'm doing wrong. Let me know. Communicate with me. I love to talk to y'all in the comments, so get at me. I appreciate it. Thank you.